Now we're going to trim the edge of the opening of the ballet slipper with some little pearls, and we're going to pipe the pearls with a number 4 tip. It's just a regular writing tip. And how you make pearls is you want to twist your bag, make it nice and tight, and you'll make little dots. So you just hold the tip over the paper or the cake about 1/8 of an inch, and you squeeze out until you get a little pearl, and as soon as it gets about this big, then you pull it up. Now you don't want to squeeze, squeeze, squeeze and pull up and squeeze, because you'll end up with something that looks like that. So you want to put pressure, release pressure, and pull up. Squeeze, release, and pull up. Practice this on a piece of paper or a paper plate until you have a nice uniform pearl trim, and then we'll move on to the cake. So we're going to trim the edge where the white and the pink meet with this pearl border. And you're going to place them right on that border and go all the way around the cake. Remember, you're just holding the tip just slightly above the cake so that the frosting will come out and spread a little into a little circle, releasing pressure before you pull up. This makes a nice delicate trim for the edge of the slipper. When you finish the beading around the shoe, you want to make a little bow here. Just make a loop, another loop, and 2 little strings coming down, and then just a little dot there for the tie.